That's what we need. $10 mil, yeah. We got the first 10 mil out. Again, this is probably going to be easier to loosen by hand after cracking it. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Look at that. There we go. As you can see, right back here, the bolt is out. Okay. For some reason, the GoPro quit recording, so we got the airbag out. I got it set away from everything else, just in case anything were to happen. Ain't nobody in the way of getting hurt or nothing else. Let me go show y'all what we got going on inside the car. So far, we got the 10 millimeters taken out right here. And then I disconnect the horn and the airbags, and this right here. And then we pop these out. If you're struggling, stick a screwdriver right back here, or maybe in here. You gotta pop these two out to disconnect the controls. And then, if you have a whole new wheel, like I do, you gotta take this backing right here. There's 4 Phillips, 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta take this off, and then the next step, that's what we're about to get to, is taking this center bolts off right here. So that's everything that's gotten done so far. I don't know how much was captured because this GoPro made some noises, and then I clicked the record button again. It made another noise like it was recording, and it wasn't. So that's updating y'all to where we're at now, and hopefully the rest of it will be recorded 100% because I'm trying to upload this as a steering wheel install and POV drive. But to be honest, it's not a how-to video in depth how to install a steering wheel or replace a steering wheel on a Chrysler 300C. So it's not too big of a deal that we didn't capture everything. I'm just irritated because I kind of wanted to, just so I could do that video or have that information if somebody were to need it. But there's plenty of them videos online. Now we can move on with the process and get this off. Let's get right back into getting this bolts off so we can see how it's gonna look with the new wheel and everything. I'm excited. And to let y'all know, because I have the new wheel inside, I just dug my fingers back here and popped these off. You don't really need a screwdriver. You can basically just grip them up, because there's only 2, see, look, there's only 2 little clips right here. You can grab like right here and just tug on it and they'll pop out. I mean, 2 little clips ain't really nothing. So I went ahead and did that on the carbon wheel inside, so that's ready as soon as we get it out here and start putting it back together. All right, I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a second. I gotta go get the tool for this. All right, y'all, so we got the center bolt out. My pops helped me so I could break it loose. So this is horn, left side controls, right side controls. And then this boy plugs in right here. These go to the airbag, and this goes on one of the screws to the airbag. Pretty simple wiring. Yeah, I'm just not sure. There. That should be it right there. So the thick side was the right side connection. This left side was the controls. This was the horn. This plugs to there, and this goes to the airbag. Okay.
So just pop in.
Yeah, these get plugged like this, and then they have 2 little clips right here. Gotta put this back in. All right, y'all, my camera might die, but I'm putting this back together. And I'll have to look up the torque spec again. I think it was like 50, but obviously I'm gonna double check. All right, y'all, so we're back. We got the inlays for the buttons hooked up and pressed in there. Got the center bolt back on and everything else. Camera battery died, but now we're gonna torque this down. So it literally needs to be 52 foot-pounds. Now all that's left is we're gonna hook this right back up here because this is the main connection for the airbag. These go into the airbag. We gotta hook up the horn. So basically what we gotta do is get this airbag right here on the passenger seat, put it back in, plug these in, plug this in right there, plug the horn in, put the 10 mils in the back. Gotta plug this wire in real quick. This one went, yeah, this way. Boom. Don't worry about these are color coordinated. Just popping back on at the right color. I'd be so upset if I forgot mine. That's some crackhead activity. Oh, why am my horn working? Have to tear this bit back apart. Bye. Finally tightening these down. That bitch looks nice. I'm gonna have to come in here and clean it and
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm working on my car.
Yippee, I like cars.
Let me go ahead and finish this up. We got the negative back on. We are going to there we go. So now that we've tightened the battery up, made sure all the connections are good, and had it hooked up once again, we are going to, first off, yep, we got power. So let's go ahead and put the key in, turn on the power, and hope that this airbag does not go off in any sort of sense. Test the horn real quick, and then we'll be good to go and the install will be complete. Man, look at this beautiful wheel. And it didn't assault me. I'm so happy. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, we got a test. All right, y'all. So we'll be moving on to the second part of this video momentarily for you. Tomorrow for me, we will be doing a POV drive, and I can't wait to drive with this thing. So I appreciate y'all staying around for the install. Let's get right into the POV drive. Holy shit. That's a beautiful, beautiful sand rail.
Okay, alert.
He can't stay in his lane to save his life, but what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the second part of this video, which is the POV drive. This is take 2. I had some issues figuring out how to use this GoPro, get the right angle, da-da-da. Now I got it upside down on my forehead because it was right side up, and the video was mostly the ceiling. I couldn't really check because I was in a rush, as I am now as well. So hopefully this angle is good. If you're seeing this, it's good. The car is absolutely filthy because I took the car cover off for literally a day. It stormed and then hailed and then stormed some more. If you noticed, I'm going a little easy on the car, right about 2100 RPM until it hits 180 degrees operating temp, engine temp. I refuse to beat on it. Just an update, guys. We have a limited slip differential conversion coming in from Traction Concepts, as well as some other things in the background that we're trying to work out. Zen carbon fiber, which is what this video is about per se, the install of the wheel and everything else. they are going to work with me on getting this shift knob right here, not this exact one, but a matching shift knob for my steering wheel. I gotta make sure I make this light. They're going to purchase, see, it just turned yellow. I knew it. So they're going to buy an OEM shift knob from the manufacturer. So obviously they're gonna go ahead and get it from Chrysler, maybe, you know, a parts provider. Either way, it's a genuine OEM part. They break it down and custom make exactly what is ordered, and I will be promoting it as they are adding it to their website, and it's not just going to be a custom thing anymore. I told them all I want is for the wood paneling to be swapped for carbon fiber, of course, the leather to be perforated leather, and white stitching. That seems perfectly, what is this guy doing? That seems perfectly doable to me. I'm excited to have this wheel. Actually, I'm kind of glad that I have to redo this POV drive, because these buttons right here, they control the hidden menu, quote unquote, within my EVIC. So the EVIC is this screen right here between the gauges, and it allows me to check pedal position, so I can see, you know, whether I'm at 45% throttle or 73% throttle. It has oil pressure, it has engine temperature, battery voltage, the exact speed, and the exact RPM. Right now I'm at 9,000. Dang, I failed kindergarten. I'm at 950, just about. And now that we're stopped, dropped right down to 650 something to 700 and something. It bounces while it's right there idle. It has a little lope to it. But yeah, man, this traffic is absolutely terrible. I don't want to sit in traffic talking y'all's ear off, so I'm gonna go ahead, cut the video right here, and when I take a right up here to head down towards the city, I feel like there's going to be better opportunities for me to start going faster and not stop and go, stop and go, stop and go, because this irritates my soul, yo. This really irritates the hell out of me. So I'll catch up with y'all in just a few minutes. I'm gonna cut it right. Just a little pull real quick. This lane ends. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, I love this wheel. This wheel is comfy. And I'm sorry this POV drive hasn't been very entertaining in a sense. The main issue right now is it's like 6 p.m. on the dot, damn near. It's like 5:49 or something, and everybody's getting out of work, going north, going south, going east, going west, coming from the west side, heading to the east side. But I'm glad I got to just talk to y'all. I'm trying to get used to talking to the camera anyways. For some reason, I find it hard to actually talk to the camera because it's not like I'm talking to nobody. I'm talking to air right now, talking to the camera on my forehead, which if you think about it, that's weird. But man, I'm trying to get used to making this content, trying to get used to this GoPro, using it, figuring out everything, all the odds and ends, how it overheats, how it can get too cold, how it'll stop recording for no reason. Stop recording like it did just now for no reason, bro. I literally was in the middle of saying it and it cut itself right there. It probably just cut me off mid-sentence. Y'all gonna see that once it gets to the point where I can start investing more money. There will be more cars coming to the channel, way more modifications. I gotta get my dune buggy around, turn that into a street rail, or I'm sorry, it's a sand rail technically, but gotta get that around, get it street legal, turn it into a street rail, start making videos with that, have fun with that. I'm about to start putting money into the sand rail, getting that back to where it's supposed to be. It's a 1.6 liter or 1600 cc dual port Super Beetle motor on like an 800 pound frame or something like that. Catch up with y'all in just a little bit. All right, yo. We are back. Yeah, it works. But yeah, yo, we are working on getting that shifter in place for the car. The LSD conversion will be coming soon, and some power modifications will of course be coming soon as well. I'm not comfortable with the aftermarket hardware. Okay, I forgot to tell y'all in the video, we're going to the car wash right now because I took the car cover off, did some videos, and then it ended up storming, then hailing, then storming again, then storming again. So I haven't gotten it washed. Now going through the touchless car wash, I'm not sure how clean it's gonna get the car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be comfortable putting the car cover on because I don't want to introduce any more micro abrasions due to material left on the car. So I'm just getting it washed for peace of mind, and so it looks better in total. not a good launch, but it's a good little peel out.
Past the car wash?
No.
Where is it? Oh, it's past. That's right.
Yeah, it's up over this bridge. Bro, what are you hitting the brakes for? Why am I rolling up my window when I legit have to have it down to pay? Woo, it got stanky in here real quick. That Catless 93. Ooh, I'm finna choke somebody out. Huh? Yeah, I told you this place changed, y'all. This used to be my favorite car wash, and now I don't even know. Where'd the second set of signs go, bruh? All right, y'all, so we're gonna get Ace's Best undercarriage tire and wheel cleaner, pre-soak, rust inhibitor on the undercarriage, high pressure poly shine, ceramic protectant, spot free rinse, and high velocity dryer. All right.
Thank you for your purchase. Send to the wash when it is available.
You're welcome. I gotta go slow, so the rust inhibitor and this, that, the third, all start spraying the undercarriage of my car. Yeah. I ain't even. Oh shit. I'll catch up with y'all in a few minutes. Look at it. All right, y'all. We just finished with the wash. Damn, what you already counting for, bro? You ain't even driving my car yet. That's some whole shit. Right. And y'all, I don't got towels. I don't like air drying my car, but like, obviously the air dryers are fine. I'm saying they don't do the best, so I like towel drying it after. Watch, zero, boom. As soon as zero hits now, these dryers turn off, right? This old man on this place, bro, it hit zero, and for like an extra 30 seconds, you'd be drying your car off. It was great. Sorry, y'all. I cut the video earlier because it was boring. So I'm on my way home. I'm actually on my way to start another POV drive. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoyed the install. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one.